Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Planarista 101. Today I'm going to be sharing with you Kellofaplan stickers. I got quite a few, so I wanted to show you what I got. It's been a while since I got any Kellofaplan stickers. So in case you're interested, here we go. I have monthly florals, sheets edition, the ROYBGIV, which is the rainbow one, volume 5. I think I'm only missing the 4th one. Rainbow florals, favorite florals, daily work basics, and daily florals, volume 2. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip through all of these. We're gonna start with the work basics. If this is your first time joining me, welcome. I am so glad you're here. If you have been here before, thank you so much for coming back to spend more time with me. Here we go, let's get started. So this is actually really cool. I have not flipped through these prior to doing this with you guys. So you have bullet points in various colors and they're tiny. Then you have a huge to-do list. If you wanted to do time blocking, big boxes, important tasks, tiny to-do lists, various headers, and then look at this. So very cool and chic, very office-like. And then you have the next one, which is the same as the previous except the color changes. So you have green and pink and blue. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's the same one as Live Love Posh. I love this. Okay. Then you have yellows, grays, green, and tan. Oh, I love this too with the plant. Look at that. Okay, yeah. Love this. That's so chic. I didn't realize how chic this book will be. Okay. Super cool. Then we have very like nude. Oh, look at that. That's pretty. I think this is also in the Live Love Posh one. Okay, very interesting. Okay. Oh, I love this keyboard. Then, okay, then you have orange and green and pink. Interesting color combo. Very happy. Very summer. Oh, I love this one. Look at that. So cute. Very cute. Very different. Like these boxes and functional parts are very different. I'm very happy to... Oh, this is also from Live Love Posh from a while back. Yeah, I really like this pink and black. Look how cute. Oh, the planet. And then you get quotes. So you have... These are on clear paper. Clear. And then look at this. Upcoming emails. So these are on paper, but you have today, priority to do, important follow-up, tomorrow, top task, action item, projects, brain dump, upcoming research, contact deadline, schedule assignments, appointment, pending, submit, planning, back burner, emails, call, touch base. This is great. I didn't realize how great this is. Okay. So that was work daily. Now we're going to do daily florals. This is 1,367 stickers. Ooh, I also like this. So it's the same like box styles. Okay, for these florals. I'm actually kind of excited to use this. Awesome. And I liked how everything coordinates. Yay! Okay, Kellofaplan. Heather, you have stepped up your sticker game. It's been like almost a year, if not longer, since I purchased any of her stickers. But these are awesome. And finally her like cutting area has gone down because her cutting area used to be huge. Look at these. These are pretty. Oh my goodness, I love florals. Okay. And even though this whole book is paper, I actually don't mind it. Look at this. Isn't that adorable? And we have this. What? Look at this, perfect for fall. Okay, this is so happy, you guys. The blue and the yellow and the green are like my thing. And these are very happy too. And then you get some quotes. Success is the sum of small records, repeated day in and day out. It's only okay to plan one day at a time. It's okay to only plan. Wake up with go to bed with satisfaction. Interesting. Wake up every day stronger than yesterday. So yeah, these are really lovely. There's another page of quotes. And then again, it gives you all of these little things. So it's today priority to do important top 3. Don't forget tomorrow top task, errands, chores, upcoming laundry, pay bills, deadline, schedule, meal plan, appointment, meetings, tonight, grocery list, shopping list, exercise, me time, self-care. Fantastic. Okay, next one is a larger one. So it's 550 stickers, but I believe this one has 40 stickers. Yeah, 40 sticker sheets. So a little bit more than normal. And you get 2 pages of each, I believe. Yeah, look at that. And I love the smaller clusters because then I can edge around my planner, and that's what I've been loving lately. So yeah, as you guys know, I'm a little planner obsessed when it comes to florals. Look at these. Even these are cute. Not like my favorites, but cute. Wow. Okay. Look at these. Oh, these Christmas ones I loved. Look at these. These pumpkins ones are so cute. Look at that. That is like eye-popping. I love these sunflowers. That was another one of her stickers that I absolutely love. These blue ones are gorgeous. Okay, I love pink and blue again. It's like my favorite color combo. And then we have these tropics. And then this. And then last set, I believe. Yep. So those are favorite florals. That is actually a fantastic book. This one is Rainbow Florals, 720 stickers. Let's see if it's florals only. I'm not sure. These are mostly clear. Yeah. Okay. So very, very bright, you guys. If you guys are into bright florals, this is a perfect book for you. It is like every page gets fuller with florals. It is so amazing to look at. I love how almost all of them go together. So it's like a whole book of the similar florals. And now we have paper backing and lots of boxes. So we have hexagons, monthly boxes, which I really, really like. Oh, I don't know what are these. These look like dashboard boxes. I'm not sure, but pretty cool. Different for sure. Then we have set of regular boxes, bullet points, checklists. Cool. More boxes. So the whole book is almost like the same graphics, which is kind of fantastic because if you want to make large spread or like a memory keeping type of thing and you want to use the same type of stickers for like, let's say the whole chapter of your stuff, that's pretty good, right? Okay, so that is the last page. I really like this. Surprised how much I do. Okay. Next one, let's do monthly florals. This one has 2,155 stickers. Again, these pages I love. this month filming, contact design photos. Oh, it has monthly thing. Great, because I'm gonna be redating. So that is awesome. Yeah, I really like these stickers. Wow, this is gorgeous. At least to me, you guys, this is so gorgeous. Look at this, green and pink. See these flow. Oh, yes. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, look at this. Yeah, I really do like these florals a lot. Okay. I think I even like these brown ones. They're like very chic and elegant. Look at this. Oh my, okay. Then we have the summer. Look at this. This is like such a spring or summer vibe. Okay then. These stickers are, oh, and you get like a whole bunch of washi strips. What a great idea. These are like very thin. And then you have pay bills, errands, appointment, meeting, no school, off work, vacation, girl night, book club, date night, payday, birthday, anniversary, game day, practice, party, church, testing, doctor, medicine, pet med, subscription, release day, guys night, school event, concert, family night, bill due, don't forget. Cool. My list priority. So you get one page of these, which are small, and then you get this as a big one. This is the same as in the other book. I really like this. Okay, then this one is my last book from her that I purchased. And this is the ROI BGIV, which is the rainbow book. So reds, gorgeous. This is unclear. You get 2 pages of florals. Thank you, Heather. Orange. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. Yellow. Okay. These yellow flowers make me happy. Green. This is not my style of green, but I think it might work. Blue. Okay. These are stunning. Purple. Beautiful. Violet. Gorgeous. Pink. Look at these. Okay. And then we got white. And we got black. Okay, so these are stunning. I am so impressed with her books. Like I said, I haven't ordered in a long time, but now that I did, super, super impressed. I did a flip through of 6 books. Let me know which one's your favorite. I actually can't decide right now. That's how much I enjoyed them. But I'll see you guys soon for another video. Bye.